Alright, hey guys, welcome back, and as you can see, I am currently in game, and for some reason my hat is not loading, so I am bald. Yeah, anyways, just ignore that. If you are wondering what game am I currently in, this game is called Anime Shadow, and currently it has about 1.5k active players. It is also around 10:30 p.m. PST, so it is, later in the evening. But can I get my hats to show? I mean, I don't know why it's hiding my hats. Hide my access, hide others, hide skills. None of this is on. I don't know why my hats aren't showing. Alright, moving on. A friend has recently brought this game to my attention because of what I am about to show you here. Now, if we take a look at the achievements, here you can see all of these icons. There's a clover, a luck icon right here. Inventory, damage. We have extra equip. We have this cool sword, as you can see. So why am I showing you this? Well, these icons are actually parts of our Vector Icon Pack. So this is like the first time I have played a game that is, or at least I am aware of, that is currently using our icon pack. Now I'm sure many other games out there that I have not tried are probably using our UI kits or also the Vector Icon Pack, but this game is quite popular. Now if we head into the shop, this right here is actually using our Game Pass templates as well as our icons. These two, the potions right here. And if we scroll here, you can see the plasma and the battery icons. Let's see, here are the game passes. Of course, if you want design resources for your own game projects, check out gfxcomment.com. We have stuff that might interest you. Check it out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If we take a look here, the original design file while I was making the Vector Icon Pack. So here, like, you can see the skull and all of these layers right here, just to give you guys like an inside look at how I made all these icons. So you can see the eye shape right here, the inside, we have the outside exterior portion, we have all of these shapes right here. Layer by layer, you can see all of these that make up this single icon right here. We take out the eyes, you can see here is the base shape. Now I'm showing you guys this because I am working on the next coming update. I have also finally bought a drawing tablet, so I could really put that to use in making the next few icons for the coming update. Alright guys, I know this was not the typical video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I just want to share some cool stuff with you guys. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for much more coming throughout the entire year. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys in the next one.